Question number 5 says verify associative property and distributive property for these three integers. Already we have learned about the properties. Now we will check whether they will apply in these integers or not. What are the integers? -2, -17 and 11. First we will do with the associative property. What does associative property says? Bracket A into B into C is equal to A into bracket B into C. Means if we are multiplying first A into B and then multiplying C, the answer will be same even if we are multiplying first B into C, then we are multiplying A. Now left hand side, A into B into C. What is A? -2 minus 17 into 11. Now -2 into minus is plus, 2 into 17 is 34 into 11. 34 into 11 will be 374. This is the answer of this equation. Now right hand side, A into B into C, that is -2 into, in the bracket is -17 into 11. -2 into -17 into 11 is -87. Here again minus and minus is plus. So 2 into 187 is 374. In both the equation we can see that answers are same. So therefore from first and second we get -2 into -17 into 11 is equal to -2 into -17 into 11. Therefore, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Hence proved. Now, we will move towards the distributive property of free integers.
Start.
Now, distributive property. What distributive property says? A into B plus C. If in the bracket B plus C, A is common. A is multiplied to B as well as A is multiplied to C. We can open the bracket like this. A into B plus A into C. In both the cases, answers are same. So let us check. For left hand side, it is A into B plus C. What is B? -2 into B plus C -17 plus 11. Now it is -2 into. Now here 1 is minus, 1 is plus. So what we are going to do? Subtraction. Because when the signs are different, we are subtracting. -17 plus 11 is 6. We are putting the -7 because the bigger number is 17 and it is a negative integers. -2 into -6 is 12. Minus into minus is plus. That is why answer is only 12. Now right hand side, A into B plus A into C. That is -2 into -17 plus -2 into 11. Here -2 into 17 is 34. -2 into 11 is -22. Here again you will see minus is plus, minus into plus is minus. Now 34 plus bracket minus means we have to do subtraction. 34 minus 22, again it is 12. So from first and second we get A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now next question. So we will see that distributive property is applied here. Now we will do question number 6A. In this question we are using properties of multiplication to do the multiplication in a very simple way, not to do in a very hard way. First question is 1398 into 99 minus 1398. If you see here 1398, 1398, something is common. So let us check. 1398 into 99 minus plus. 1398 into 1. Here we are using identity property. Means what? are multiplying 1 to any integer, answer is the integer itself. So by multiplying by 1, there will not be any difference on the number. Now here we will see 1398, 1398. Both are common, so we will take it out using distributive property of multiplication. So 1398 is taken out into what is remaining here? 99. And what? Plus in between, what is remaining here? 1. It becomes 1398. Here we are using distributive property. Here 1398 into 99 plus 1 is 100. And we know by multiplying by the multiples of 10 it is very easy. We have to put just 0. So it becomes 139800. Means 1,39,800 is our answer. Isn't it very easy? Now we will move to our next sum. What is the next sum? First I will rub this. Using the properties of multiplication of integers, we are doing our sums very easily. Now next sum is minus 317 into 132 plus minus 317 into minus 32. Students, please note down, there is one correction in the book. Here it is written in the book 31, but actually it should be 32. Only then we can apply the properties. Now here also we will see minus 317 is common here, minus 317 is common here. Again here multiplication sign is there, multiplication sign is there. So what we will do, we will take out minus 137 out. Minus 317 is taken out. What is remaining here? 132. Between the sign is plus, minus 32. Okay. Now again minus 317 into 132 plus minus is minus, as everybody knows. Again minus 317 into 132 minus 32 is 100. And what will be the answer? Minus 317 00 is the answer. Where minus is, we have to check. While doing the questions of integers, we have to check whether we are putting the signs properly. Because even if you are doing the sums correctly, but you are not keeping an eye or observing whether signs are putting properly or not, the meaning will be very different and your question will be wrong. Now question number 7. Now question number 7 is saying that clock is losing 4 minutes every day. Clock is getting slow by 4 minutes every day. Okay. Now how much clock will be faster 4 days ago? By today, 4 days ago, how much clock was faster? Now first we will give it. Clock has been losing minutes every day is 4 minutes. Therefore clock will lose number of minutes in 4 days. 4 into 4, that is 16 minutes. Therefore by number of minutes clock will be faster 4 days ago is 16 minutes. Now question number 8 you can do by yourself. This was our exercise 1.2. PDF will be sent to you so that you can write. I hope you understood these questions. Some questions is as CW, means classwork, and some questions will be given as homework. Homework key will also be provided, but after 2-3 days. Before that you have to solve the questions. Thank you. Good afternoon friends. As I have explained you about the multiplication of integers, what is the concept, what are the important points about that, and also the properties of a multiplication of integers. Based on that, we are going to solve the exercise number 1.2, page number 11. Question number 1 is very easy, true and false. So I am going to give you as your homework. Try it. Afterwards, I will share the homework key also. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, if A is equal to -4, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 4, verify A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. You know which property it is? This is distributive property of multiplication of integer that we have explained earlier. Now first we will take left hand side. What is the left hand side? Left hand side is A into B plus C. Instead of A, I am going to write -4 into, instead of B, 5 plus, instead of C, it is 4. So that is equal to -4 into 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 into 4 -36. So left hand side answer is -36. Now we will check right hand side. Right hand side is equal to, you should always remember this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. Right hand side is equal to A into B plus A into C. Here A is common to both B and C. Now that is why if we are going to open the bracket, A will be multiplied by B. In the middle sign is plus, plus A will be multiplied by C. Now instead of A we are going to write -4 into, instead of B, 5 plus again -4 into, what is the C? It is 4. Here we can put one more bracket so that we can identify it. Now -4 into 5, that is equal to -20 plus -4 into -4, it is -16. As we know, plus into minus is minus. Now this will be equal to -20. Again bracket means multiply, plus into minus is minus, that is 16. Now 20 both having same sign, it means we are going to add it. 20 plus 16 is 36 and we are putting the sign minus because both are having the sign minus. So we can see here left hand side answer is -36, right hand side answer is -36. Therefore A plus B plus C is equal to A into. So therefore A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay, understood now? Now next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is saying to do continued products, means there is continuation product like 2 into 3 into 4 into 6. Continuously we have to do the product. Now first question, A -3 into -4 into -5. We can take any two numbers to get a product, then we can add to the third one. It depends on us. There will not be any change in the answer because associative property of multiplication is applied in the integers. Now we will divide these two first. -3 minus minus will be plus, 3 4s are 12 into -5. 12 5s are into 5 is 60 and we will put the sign minus. Okay. One more question we will do. Other two will be your homework. D -7 into 0 into -23 into -4. Now here you have to understand that there is a 0 and we know if we multiply any number with 0, answer will be 0 only. So either we can write directly or we can elaborate it. First we will do multiplication between these two numbers. -7 into 0 is 0 into minus minus is plus 23 into 4. Or else we can write 23 minus 4. Again 0 into minus 23 is 0 into minus 4. Again minus 4 into 0 is 0. So 0 is our answer. Okay, understood? Now question number 5th is we have to verify associative property and distributive property for these three integers. What are the integers? A is equal to minus 2, B is equal to minus 17 and C is equal to 11. Now what is associative property? Associative property means if there are three integers and if we are multiplying A into B into C. Here we are multiplying A into B first. Then we are multiplying it with C. Here we are multiplying B into C first. Then we are multiplying by A. Still the answer should be same. Then only we can say that associative property of multiplication is applied. Now left hand side, A into B into C. What is the first number? Minus 2 into minus 17 into 11. Now here is minus, minus into minus will be plus. So it is 34. 2 into 17 is 34. 34 into 11. It becomes 374. This is our first equation. Second equation is A into bracket B into C. Means we will multiply B into C first. Now A minus 2 into minus 7 into 11. So it is minus 2 into minus 7 into 11 is minus 87. Again you will see here signs are same. Minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus. 187 into 2 is 374. Now from